One of the most important part of maintaining a Kia Sportage is torquing the lug nuts to the proper specification. Ensuring your wheels are secured correctly is crucial for your safety. First, it's important to know that over or under tightening your lug nuts can lead to serious issues. Over tightening may damage the lug nuts or the studs, while under tightening can cause the wheel to come loose while driving. Before we begin, one important tool you will need is a torque wrench. I will be using this beam style torque wrench. It may be old school and a little difficult to use, but it's highly accurate and almost never goes out of calibration. It also allows you to see exactly how much force you are applying as you tighten the lug nuts. Also, you will need a 21mm socket. As per the owner's manual of Kia Sportage, the recommended torque specification for the lug nuts is 79 to 94 pound-feet of torque, or 107 to 127 Newton meters. The scale on my torque wrench is in Newton meters. You will need to watch the indicator needle as you apply force. I'm targeting around 120 Newton meters. Once it reaches the correct torque setting, stop applying force. This ensures you have tightened the lug nuts to the precise specification. Do not apply any kind of lubricant to the lug nuts. Lubricants can alter the torque reading and lead to over-tightening, which could damage the wheel or cause safety issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheelgen for more automotive tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.